Hi guys, this is Aisha. Welcome you to my channel. I'm meeting you again with very interesting video. These days we use computer a lot. We use it for online classes, teaching, work from home and lots more. So this situation, our computers sometimes fail to work with us. So I'm going to help you with very few and easy tips of how to let your computer work faster without taking it to the service center. So watch the video without skipping till the end. If this is the first time for you to visit my channel, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon so that you get notifications. I'm planning to give so many interesting videos. Okay, let's get into the video. The first thing, when we do, go to settings in your laptop. In the left side, in the taskbar, type settings. Okay, so now after you enter settings, sometimes your computer can be slow, so maybe after this it can be faster. So in settings, go to the system notifications. You can see on the left side, yes, this is the system. Click on system and wait for it to open. And then to the left side, you see notifications and actions. Click on it. After you click on it, yes, this is really taking time. Okay, you see the notifications. You see so many boxes, so many things, notifications given down, and you see all of them are enabled. We don't want everything. We just want one thing. So disable everything except show me the Windows welcome. Okay, so leave it like that. Show me the Windows welcome, and the remaining disable all the other ones, because this is one of the reason that our computer is slow. Okay, so make sure that you leave Windows welcome experience, so leave that. Okay, so this is one step. We are done with it. Next, go to storage. You find storage in the left side. When you go to storage, you see here the storage automatically, how it helps you to free space, because most often we don't free the space, and the space is something which is letting your computer slow. So you open the settings for that, configure storage sense. Okay, here you have to select run storage sense. Okay, during low free disk space. Okay, so check what is there. If you want to do it every month or every week or every day, as per your usage of computer, you can select it. Every week would be better rather than every day. Okay, so then when we are done with that, the next thing what we are going to do is, we see that we have a lot of temporary files in our computer. Okay, we are done with that one. The storage sense, automatically it cleans after we set the storage settings by every week. Okay, I'm setting it to every week. Then when we are done with that, come to the temporary files. You know, we have a lot of temporary files. So delete temporary files. You can set it as per your preference. The same thing, it has the duration, maybe in 30 days, or it can be like a week. So this will help, because you see so many files stored in the recycle bin. So this will help you automatically clean it. Though you don't get time, if you set it automatically, your computer cleans it and you will get a lot of time. Now it says 30 days, 14 days, 60 days. So I set it to 30 days. Then delete files in my downloads folder. So you have a lot of things in the download folder as per your preference. If you want every 30 days, or you never want to delete the files in the download, or if you want to delete it after every 14 days, so you can decide as per your need. Maybe sometimes we go back to the downloads to get some files, so just better we click it as 30 days. Okay, so we write it as 30 days. Every 30 days we clean the things in the download. Okay, now let's go back. Next thing, we are looking for the next tip. Hope this video is useful for you. So we are done with the 2 steps. Okay, and I think we are done with the 3 steps. Next one, network and internet. So this one differs in many of the computers. What we are looking is we are looking for metered connection. So if you don't find it because it differs from computer to computer, so you have to look for metered connection and ensure that you switch it on. Okay. So here I don't find it because this is a different computer. So as I told, the settings can be different. You have to look for metered connection and make sure that you let it on. Okay. When we are done with that, we'll go to the next one because here even in the manage screen we don't find it, so we'll just leave it. It is okay, even if you don't do one step, it is not going to be a fault for you because we are doing so many steps. At least one or the other will help you to let your computer work faster. Okay, so when we are done with the Wi-Fi settings, we will just go back to again to the settings. Okay, so here's the settings. Here's the settings. We'll go back to the settings and we'll look for personalization. Personalization. Click on the personalization, and when you open, so this will help you to clean your computer, and when you are done with this process you will see that your computer is really fast. Okay, in the personalization you go to the colors tab in the left side. You see the colors tab. Here my computer says I have to activate my windows, so if you get this notification you may not be able to do, but if you're not getting this you can do it. See, I'm just showing it to you because these are not enabled. So go to the colors and make sure that the colors and transparency is off. Okay, see here it is on. You can off. I'm not able to do because it says that the windows is not genuine. So first the windows need to be updated, but I can show it to you. Transparency effect, make it off. Ensure that it is off. Because of this Windows settings I'm not able to do it. Doesn't matter, I'm just trying to show you the hint of how that can be done. So make sure that the transparency effect is off, because if it is on, it is again taking space from your computer and that lets your computer work slowly. Okay, then now let's go back to the setting again, and we are searching for update and security. You see it, update. Yes, here it is, update and security. Let's open update and security. This one tells you how long your computer is active, because each of our computer activation time differs. Some of us work it very early in the morning, some of us work till late night. So depending upon your the work need, so just leave it. We don't care. See, some of us might say, okay, if I set the active time, say like from particular time to particular time, will my computer not work? No, no, that is not the thing. The internal things in the computer keep working. So if we do the settings, like sometimes see, when we are tired, we sleep. So what happens is it doesn't mean that our brain or the internal parts doesn't work. They work it. But why do we set it? When we set, the computer knows what is the time we exactly work. So the remaining time, it helps the computer to rest in the internal systems. So we go to this change active hours. Okay, so again here I'm not able to, okay, fine, I can do. Okay, if you want, you can change the time as per your need. Okay, when you click change, see here I set it to 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. So most of the time will be maybe say like 7 a.m. until 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. or whatever the time you want to set, you can set it like that until you can change the settings as per your convenience. So this is changing the active settings. So when we are doing this, please make sure, if you find the video interesting, immediately share it with your friends, because many of us have having the same problem. So let us help everybody in this tough situation. Okay, let's go back now. Okay, we have seen around 6 tips. We are done with the 6 tips. So the next thing, what I want to do is, let me do it. Yes, the next thing is a very simple step. I often see this computer is taking time. That's why I told you. Now, after I finish, you can see this is working amazingly. That's why it takes time for each of my click. Okay. Now, go to the systems settings. You go to the background applications. You see so many background applications running. Okay, so you click the taskbar, and on the right side you see task manager, and you click on startup. When you click on startup, you see all these applications. So all these applications are working when you start up your computer. So what happens? Your computer automatically takes time to work. So make sure that you disable all those which you really don't need. Like say this AnyDesk or whatever. Maybe sometimes you want Microsoft Office, so let it be enabled. The other things which you don't need, with it, other things we don't need, just disable them. Okay, fine. When we are done with this, now I want to give you a very simple tip. This we can do it often. Okay, go to the search bar or the task bar down. Okay, you can see it in the left side of your computer. You see a lot of unwanted things. Okay, so we are just going to clean all these things. Often you can do. So what you have to type is, just type very simple thing. You will find so many unwanted things in it. So run in the Windows, you just type run. Then percentage temp percentage. Okay, percentage TEMP temp percentage. Then you will get all these files. All these are unwanted files for which you don't use. So select all of them and delete. You see how many. Maybe sometimes you get error message like this. You can click or continue. Do this for all current items would help you get this warning repeatedly. So you can clear it all. Okay. So this is what we are going to do. So this is taking time. So we can minimize, and you can even do the other works. Make sure that it completes, and then restart your computer to see that your computer works in a very good miracle way. Okay, if you like this video and if you find it informative, don't forget to share it with your friends so that they get benefited. Thank you. See you through another interesting video. Bye bye.